Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to reset your forgot Steam password, recover Steam account login credentials. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, you can't really fix the problem using the Steam app itself. What you want to do is open up any web browser of your choice and then type in help can't sign in Steam, and most likely the first link that'll pop up is the one. So you can click on this, make sure this is the page that you're looking. Now in your case, go ahead and click on anything here, but since this video is literally forgot my Steam account and password, just go ahead and click on this and then type in your email or phone number. Once done though, let's say your email at gmail.com, right? Add I am human just for verification. It'll pop up on a verification code for your email. Go ahead and go to your email once done, and it'll have the link to finish the forgot Steam account name or password. Basically, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. That's it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.